Hey, what's up guys? My name is Vanessa and today we are back with another Roblox video. By the way, this is my first video. I don't know why I said that. This is my welcome back to another Roblox video. I don't know. Okay, let's stop it. So today we are playing some mining simulator. Yeah. So I really like this game and you should also go to mining simulator and play this game. This game is really good. I always play it when I'm really bored on this quarantine. By the way, comment below if you are bored with quarantine. I will reply to the comments. Please. I am really good at this game. I don't know why because what the hell? What is that? Oh, it's loading. Oh my god, I just forgot. Okay, so I was saying I will. I will reply to everyone who comments that they are bored in quarantine. Please, why it is not? Why is this not? La. I am a really good player in this game. You still okay? I will. Okay, let's see how much is the deepest. Go. What is this? It's not even really deep. Just a little bit deep. To survive. Okay, I'm going to start my own hole. Which is going to be right here. Go, go, go! I'm really experienced in this game, as you can see. I have a lot of money. You can see 35,000. Here, you can see it. 35,000 coins. Below the inventory. Who is down here? Oh, done. Who is actually down here? I don't know. Why are they in my base? This is so deep down. These guys are so deep. How did they get this deep? Okay, let's go down. Go, go, go. Oh yeah, that is it. Yes, copper. By the way, this is a really good game. You should play it. What is this? Oh, who is messaging me? I'm 50 blocks deep in this sea. Oh, is that alright? Or is that Pazotite? No, Pazotite. Pazotite. Positive. Pazotite. Copper, we found copper. That's a good lucky guess. Lucky finding. I'm going. Oh, quartz. I found quartz. Where is it? Oh my god, I found gold. That is so good. Is it down this couch? Okay, let's go down this stone, which is above like 50. I've actually gone so deep in this game. Oh, sell. I got $16,000. Wow, that's good. I want to buy a new. Okay, I can. Okay, guys. Let's buy this. Okay, I can't. Let's just buy nothing and go into our home and look for more things. It's like going so fast that nobody can even try to leave me. We found a silver chest. Wow. I kind of find this game boring, but when you want to play this game, like, oh my god, I want to play this game so much. And I'm a pro in this game. I always play this game. As you can see, I have the gold stuff. I'm rich. But, So, by the way, I was saying that this is my first video on YouTube. I don't know if you guys don't like it, but I'll be uploading more videos like this on YouTube. So please subscribe and turn on your most notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Okay? So what you were saying that I am finding really good stuff that are worth hundreds of thousands of 10,000s of money, and I think we found silver. I think this is silver. What is this? Oh yeah, this is silver. Let's dug down some silver quartz. We are finding so much words of expensive. Let's just go down, bro. What if we go down so much that nobody can? Like, we're so. Oh, I found gold. This is a lucky guess. Lucky find, sorry. Okay. I want to dig in. These things. These things takes a lot to break them. It's like forever you are doing it, and forever. Two. Let's go down. So guys, I will be uploading more videos like of Clash of Clans because I love Clash of Clans. I don't know if you guys love Clash of Clans, but if you do, comment below. And we are already at 70,000 coins, as you can see. Oh, we can jump out. I still need to find one ruby. So let's jump. Oh my god, I almost fell there. Okay, we are really down. I don't know how. Oh my god, this is so down. Let's dig down this coal and get going down. So guys, I was saying that if you guys like Clash of Clans, comment below. Or I will upload more PUBG. I will upload PUBG videos also and more Roblox videos. So just turn on your post notifications and subscribe this channel. I would be replying to everyone who comments that your videos are good, and keep moving on because I want to move in. I want to achieve my dreams, and if you work hard, you can do anything. People also ask me what is the best thing that everyone has said to me, and I always say that never give up, even though you fail many times, but never give up. So I never give up on anything. So guys, you should do that also, because if you give up, you will never achieve anything in life. And if give up means losing everything, and I wanted to lose everything, so I just don't give up. When I was little, I was playing the first game. I was like, no, this game is not good. This just crap. Nothing is useful in this game. But then I started to play this game again, and I became one of the best players in this game. You can even. Oh, this is worth $2,500. That's good. If you see $2,500, that means that's a lot of money in this chest. It's even more than $2,500. That's $1,250. I hate this game so much. Okay, I will be uploading more videos of Roblox. I don't know what, but I will be playing more games. So if you have Roblox, go play this game. This is a really good game. Go play this game. If you want to follow me on my Instagram, I will leave a link in the description. So follow me. Yeah, large rail. Okay. Let's. What is the best? Let's see. What is the? Okay. Yeah. No. This is for. Okay. I didn't buy anything. I want to buy a bag. Let's buy a bag. Which gives me more storage. That's just boots. Okay, let's go down our mine again. Let's go. Where's my mine? Wait, what? What? What happened to my mine? Oh, this is my mine. What happened? What? Why is this guy here? He's taking all my money, bro. Why is this guy here? This is my mine. This is my mine. Why is he doing it? accept. What is she going to do? Decline. I don't like English. Why did I stop talking? I don't know why I stopped talking. You guys, I'm sorry guys. I feel very lonely. I don't know why. But let's just go now in this way. Okay guys, when I sell my stuff, I'm going to end this video because it has been a long video. It has been about a 10 million video. So I don't want to disturb you guys. That's a lot of minutes. Never waste your time. So yeah, I'm going to end this video when I sell it. So yeah, let's sell the stuff and come back. But first I have to continue this. Go. I'm doing that. That's 4,000. I don't know what has happened, but I can't go. So yeah, I have to finish this 4,000. Let's just do it. I don't care. Okay, we are already at 3,000. That's a whole lot of. Now that's a whole lot of damage. Oh my god, this is taking so long. Sorry to interrupt your time, but if you like my videos, just like them, and please subscribe, please. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will leave a link in the description. Okay, how much money I have? Okay. So guys, I'm going to end my video here. Subscribe and turn your post notifications on to get notified, and like, comment, share, and peace.